Thanks so much for being with us here today, Els. Could you talk about your historical experience with investing, please?
Oh, well, I can be very short about that, Vanessa, because it's about zero. I've had no experience before I started doing the course with Alpesh.
And what are your thoughts on the Great Investments Program?
I thought it was amazing. Yeah, it's been absolutely fascinating to learn all about it, and I've now started to invest thanks to the course.
And what results have you seen so far?
Thanks to the course, I've now managed to protect my profit with a trailing stop loss. It's been absolutely fantastic, and I just can't wait to expand on it and expand on the knowledge. I just want to thank Alpesh because, like I said to him, I would have never had the confidence to start this. So he's made a huge difference. So it's been great.